In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm that your account has been upgraded successfully. First, head to your Bluehost portal in a web browser. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your usual account credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a quick moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, and note your current plan so you can compare it to what you're upgrading to. Next, navigate to Hosting. You'll find the Hosting option in the left-hand sidebar menu. Click it to open the main hosting overview. This page is where Bluehost lists your active hosting services and any connected websites or domains. If you manage multiple sites, select the one you want to upgrade so the actions you take apply to the right hosting account. On this screen, look for an option labeled Upgrade, Change Plan, or Buy a Plan. The wording can vary slightly depending on your current plan and layout, but it will be clearly associated with your hosting service. Now, buy a plan or upgrade, click the upgrade or plan button to open the plan selection page. Here you can review available tiers and their features, things like storage, performance, number of websites supported, and security additions. Choose the plan that best matches your needs. If you see term lengths like monthly, yearly, or multi-year, note that longer terms often show a lower monthly rate but bill up front. You may also see optional add-ons such as backups or security tools. Only include what you need. You can add services later if necessary. Before you proceed, review the pricing details carefully, including any promotional rates and what the renewal cost will be after the promo period. If you're upgrading mid-cycle, Bluehost may apply a prorated charge, which is normal. Continue to check out, confirm your payment method, and place the order. Once the purchase completes, you should see a confirmation on screen and receive a confirmation email. Return to the hosting section of your portal and verify that your plan name, limits, or features now reflect the upgrade. Changes are often immediate, though some features can take a few minutes to appear. If you use caching or a content delivery network, a quick cache clear can help you see updates right away. That's it. You've gone to your Bluehost portal, navigated to hosting, and bought a plan or upgrade. If anything on your screen looks different, or if the upgrade option isn't visible, use the help or chat link in your portal for assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded hosting.